Hello and welcome to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. And as you can tell from the thumbnail, we are going to talk about why I longed Bitcoin. We're also going to talk about where I expect the price to go in the short-term future as well. So if that sounds interesting, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss a video. So let's jump straight on into the charts. So what we can see here is that Bitcoin is ranging. Okay, Bitcoin is ranging, and I was telling my team over on the Visionary Discord that, I was looking for a long position. Okay, I said here, potential setup if the confluence aligns at the level. Okay, so I was telling my team, I'm looking for this long position, and this was the long position that I was looking for. Okay, however, that long position did not play out. Okay, but a different one did. And this is what I'm going to talk about briefly, and then we're going to talk about where I expect the price to go. Okay, so what we're looking at here is this is the trade right here that I have taken. Okay, so let's go on to a lower time frame and actually take a look at why I longed this. Okay, so here was the entry point. Okay, the entry point was 29,155. We have a stop loss down here as well. Okay, and as you can see, this trade is currently in a really nice profit. Okay, so why did I long this? Well, I told my Visionary members that very clearly, okay, it's a long for me because I was seeing an SFP of the sell side liquidity and bull divs on the CVD, okay, and I clearly stated it here. We have the sell side liquidity down here, we've swept that, okay, and then on the CVDs, we're getting bullish divergences all across the board, okay, we're getting bullish divergences everywhere, okay, so for me, this was a long position, and then I showed the setup, okay, we have the long here. Okay, $29,155. Okay, stop loss at $29,015. Okay, so I've shown the setup here very clearly to my team, and I've also updated them on when I've taken profit. So we can see we've already taken TP1 at 11.26%. Okay, TP1 at 11%. Really nice trade there. Okay, then I'm continuously updating my team with what I'm looking at. Okay, so I said bull flag forming on the 30-minute chart. Okay, a break towards the upside could lead to much higher prices and would be very good for the long position we opened last night. So if you want access to this Discord, where I'm giving all my trades away, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here, and if you use the code BIT25, so BIT25, then you can get 25% off the Visionary membership. So make sure you you gain access to that because, like I said, I'm giving my trades away on this Discord, and my whole mindset's behind trading. But what we can see is this trade has been really profitable. Okay. But now what am I looking for within the price of Bitcoin? Well, I'm actually looking for higher prices, okay? Why? Because we've had this bull flag, and that has broken towards the upside, okay? So as of right now, I'm still looking for higher prices. I want to see the price push a little bit higher, okay? We've broken out of this bull flag, okay, towards the upside, okay? There isn't enough volume for me right now. Okay, but if that volume kicks in, then we are most likely going to see that price come up to the local range high, which is at $29,670. So that's what I would like to see. Now, this bull flag here, a lot of people do trade bull flags, but I'm going to tell you why I don't trade bull flags. Okay, now they are very useful indications, okay, on where the price could be going. As in this scenario here, we could there's a high probability that the price is going to pump towards the upside, but I don't trade bull flags. Okay, and this is why. Okay, and the reason why is because I tend to already be in a trade before the bull flag forms. Okay, and this is a perfect example right here. Okay, here is the long setup that I gave to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord. Okay, and as you can see, I longed, okay, the bottom of this move. Okay, and then the price pumped, we took profit, and then the price pulled back, forming this bull flag here. Okay, and then we've broken towards the upside. Okay, so for me, I just don't see any value in longing here because I've already longed from down here. Now, of course, there are a lot of traders out there who would long this, but I tend to have already longed the pole of the bull flag and the bear flag, if it's a bear flag, before the actual the flag forms. Okay, so that's why I don't tend to trade bull flags or bear flags at all, because I tend to already be in a trade, but I use them as an indication and more confluence on where the price could be going. Okay, so now we've broken towards the upside. I'm expecting higher prices. Okay, I am. Okay, if we can get that volume kicking in. If we don't get the volume kicking in, then it's most likely going to be a fake out and we're going to move much lower. Okay. And if we do get that invalidation, as in we break back into the bear flag, then I'm going to be moving this stop loss to entry, okay, to completely de-risk myself from this trade and ensure that this trade can only be profitable, okay, by moving that stop loss to entry, making this trade completely risk-free. Okay, so what am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for higher prices, like I said. I'm looking for $29,670, okay? That's what I'm looking for. But if we do get to that level, what could I be looking for at that level? Well, obviously, I'm going to be taking more profits there because it is a range high. Okay, and range highs gives us really good potential shorting opportunities if the confirmation and the confluence all aligns together. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, I mean, if the price comes up here, okay, and we see the confirmation and we see the confluence that we look for here at Bit Trading, okay, then I'm going to be entering into a short position, okay, and I'm going to be riding that short position down to value area high where we could take TP1, okay, POC, another TP, value area low, another TP, or we could even see the price pull back, okay, all the way back down to the range low at 28,827, where from there, that's another level that I would be looking for to trade, again, if the confirmation and the confluence all aligns, okay? So let's not think too far ahead, okay? We don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because we might not even be able to short this right here because we might not see the confirmation or the confluence, okay? If we don't see that, then price is most likely going to break above this range high here and potentially move much higher. That is a possibility, okay? I'm just stating the scenarios that I could be looking for, okay? And it doesn't mean that I'm going to short this level, okay? That does not mean I'm going to short this level. I'm going to wait until this level is hit. I'm going to have my alert set. Once the alert goes off, okay, I'm going to look at the charts. I'm going to look if the confirmation and the confluence is there. If it is, then and only then will I enter the short position, okay? And I will update my team instantly, okay, if I do that, like I did last night, instantly updated them when I entered that long position, okay? So if we see the price up here, we see the confluence, we see the confirmation, I will instantly update my team, the Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord, that I'm entering into that short position, okay? So again, if you want access to that Visionary Discord, click the link in the description, gain access to Bit Trading UK, okay? Join Bit Trading here, and you can get access to that Visionary Discord, okay? So this is a potential scenario that I am looking for, okay? If we don't see the confirmation, we don't see the confluence, like I said, we're most likely going to move much higher, okay? But this is what I'm actually looking for at this moment in time. Okay, and I will be continuously updating you Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord, so don't worry about that, okay? But that's what I'm looking for, okay? We did have this previous range here, which me and the Visionary members, okay, were trading. We had this much bigger range. We made amazing profits, okay, amazing profits. We've made over 200% profits trading this range right here, okay? That was a really nice trading range, okay? And now we've got a more local range here, which we are taking advantage of, okay? We are trading this as well, okay? And if you want to trade this with us, make sure you join the Visionary Discord. Link will be in the description via bittrading.uk, okay? So this is what I'm looking for, I'm just looking for higher, okay? Because we have broken this bull flag towards the upside. Yes, the volume hasn't come in yet, okay? But if the volume kicks in, then we're most likely going to see the price come up here, okay? And there is a higher probability that we are going to see that price continue to push towards the upside. Looking for a potential short at this level if the confirmation and the confluence aligns, and I will let my team know if I short or not over on the Visionary Discord, okay? And again, if we get an invalidation of this bull flag, okay, we break back into it, I'm moving that stop loss to entry, de-risk myself from this trade, okay, and then we're potentially looking at lower prices, maybe the range low at $28,827, okay? So that is why I longed, okay? That is what I'm looking for, okay, and that is what I'm going to do, okay? Of course, I'm going to update my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord, and, very simply, okay, I tell my team over there, okay, why I'm entering a long position, okay, and at what level, okay, where my stop loss is, and you know where I'm taking TPs as well, okay, very clearly for them to understand, okay. And yeah, you know, trading is a very boring game, okay. So you know, don't think it is exciting like people make it out to be, you know, really exciting. It isn't exciting, okay. But over here at Bit Trading, we do try and make it as exciting as possible. So yeah, if you want to join Bit Trading, link is in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. That is why I longed, and that is what I'm looking for in the short-term future for Bitcoin. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later.